Well, we have new patterns coming out tonight, and I'm very excited. And I just wanted to put out some fabrics that would be wonderful with those patterns. So this one in particular, we have a new little cardie coming out. This would be fabulous. A little black cardie. Everybody would wear it. This is a border print. It has stretch in both directions. It's fabulous. All of these fabrics are $19.99 today and tomorrow. Just a fabulous knit. Then this one, the same thing. We've got a couple knit tops coming out, but this would work well. There's a cowl coming out. This would be beautiful in a cowl. This is a netting. It has stretch in both directions. Again, beautiful, beautiful piece. This I made a jacket out of, and I absolutely love my jacket. I love my little jacket. So really fun to do this with. Black and gold and white is a really strong color for fall. So all of these I put together for that reason. This is a stretch woven. Is perfect for a pair of pants. And we have, new pants. The stretch woven can be used like as a knit. For a yoga pant, you have to change your sizing, but it still can be used, and it's real effective for a beautiful pair of slacks. And so same with this white denim. White denim is being shown all through the fall. They're not stopping white denim. It's kind of exciting. So this white denim has stretch in both directions. It's 100% cotton, just absolutely wonderful. And I put with it this little really pretty, this is for like a little blouse. We have a new blouse coming out with a twisted collar that would be just fabulous in this. This is 100% cotton. It's just beautiful. But I just wanted you to see the drape of these. All the drape is fabulous. And you know it, the goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.